In this video, we will show you how to set up and use nutrition with the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Working toward your personal health goals requires staying in tune with every aspect of your lifestyle. With the nutrition feature, you can learn more about how your nutrition works with your fitness to contribute to your overall health. You will need a Garmin Connect Plus plan to use the nutrition feature. Let's walk through setting up your goals and begin tracking. First, open the Garmin Connect smartphone application. From the home screen, tap More. Then select Health Stats. Now, select Nutrition. You'll need to add additional information and identify your goals before you begin tracking your nutrition. The nutrition feature lets you determine your personal goals while encouraging responsible and realistic expectations. Details like your current weight and goal weight help ensure you receive the right nutrition recommendations. Select Next. Now, you can add information about your activity level and modify your calorie and macronutrient goals. Macronutrients include protein, fat, and carbs. These are 3 key components of your nutrition plan that contribute to your overall health. If you have been tracking your activities for the past 4 or more weeks, you'll see your 4-week average active calorie number. If you don't have this data, you can choose between sedentary, lightly active, moderately active, very active, or extremely active. As you update your nutrition goals and input your information, you'll see recommended target numbers for your calorie and macronutrient intake. However, you can adjust these recommendations based on your personal preferences. A target date will be calculated for your recommended nutrition plan. Once you're satisfied with your nutrition goals, save your preferences. Then, tap Finish Setup. A confirmation screen will display. Select Got It. From the main nutrition screen, you can choose to view your logged calories and macros in daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly views. As you log nutritional data, your calories and macros will update. There are several ways to log food throughout your day. The Find Food feature offers multiple different methods of logging food. Select the plus icon to begin. The global database will display the nutritional value for your favorite foods. Once you've found your item, you can log it to your daily timeline. You can also save the food as a favorite for easy logging later. Your logged item will appear in your daily view to know what you ate and when. If Greek yogurt with granola is your breakfast go-to, you can enter it as a custom meal. To do this, select the plus icon. Then select My Meals. Now select Create Meal. Then name your custom meal. Add the foods associated with this meal. You can then adjust the serving size. This will update the macronutrient information. Select Save. You can log food with Garmin Connect's AI-powered image recognition tool to snap a photo of your food with your compatible smartphone's camera. You can also scan a food item's barcode for faster logging. Now, let's use the Quick Add tool to log your breakfast. Begin by tapping the time of day you'd like to log your meal. Select Quick Add. Then, input your food, calories, and macros. Select Add. Additionally, you can set reminders for logging your meals. You can have these be daily reminders or after specific meals. To enable reminders, select the 3 dots at the top of the Nutrition tab. Select Reminders. Enable any food logging reminders. You can also adjust the time for each reminder. You can even track while on the go. With your compatible Garmin smartwatch, you can log foods and monitor your daily calorie and macro intake directly from your wrist. From your smartwatch's home screen, navigate to the Glance list. Scroll down to the Nutrition glance. Here, you'll see a side-by-side view of your recommended daily calorie intake and how many calories you have remaining. You can also scroll down to see your average calories and macros, as well as your logged food for the day. To log from your watch, you can quick add custom nutrition information for snacks and meals, or log an item from your favorites. First, select a food. Then select Done at the top. Finally, select Log Food. Some compatible smartwatches include a voice command feature for logging. To pull up the Nutrition glance, say Nutrition into your watch's microphone. Saying Log Nutrition will open the glance where you can begin logging. To log foods that aren't in your favorites or recently logged, you'll be prompted to log them in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. At the end of the day, you can look back at everything you've tracked to see your meals in one view. As you log food over time, you'll be able to see your nutritional consumption data in aggregate. This data gives insight into a breakdown of your overall macronutrients, so you can identify patterns in your nutrition habits over time. Whatever your nutrition goals are, now you can log and track your calories and macros directly within Garmin Connect with a Garmin Connect Plus plan. For help setting up your plan, see our FAQ. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the nutrition feature. To learn more about your product, subscribe to our product support YouTube channel and visit us at support.garmin.com.